Yo, welcome back to Midwest Moto Parts. Today we're checking out this 2002 GSX-R750 that came in what looks like a pretty serious crash. It's got an aftermarket swing arm extension kit, yosh, exhaust, and the frame has been polished. Check out that front end. The steering barely moves. No fairings, forks twisted, and I'm pretty sure the frame is damaged. But the engine and drivetrain look solid. The GSX-R750 motor is one of the most respected power plants in sport bike history. And that's what we're after. We're estimating about 50% salvageable on this one. Engine, trans, rear components, electronics, controls, and hardware. All of the good parts will be saved to help other Gixxers stay alive. This is just a preview of what's coming. Every part we can rescue will be cleaned, inspected, photographed, and listed for sale at MidwestMotoparts.com. Hit like for more teardown content because this one is about to come apart fast. Tell us about your Gixxer story. We ship worldwide every day. Midwest Moto Parts. Rolling with Slick. We out.